Hey, it's Kate with WTI. In case you didn't know, not all sneakers are created equal. I recently started upping my strength training, particularly lifting, and I learned very quickly how important it is to have the right shoes. I normally wear running sneakers, but when you wear running sneakers for weightlifting, it's as if you are standing on two clouds. It is not supporting you at all. So I needed specific training sneakers, and I am so in love with the ones that I found by Nike. These are the Metcon 8 women's training shoes. They are designed specifically for training, cross training in the gym, and weightlifting, and they are the perfect amount of support. I love Nike sneakers. I got these in a size 8.5, which is usually my size in Nike, and I find that they fit like a glove. They are super comfy and they give me amazing support when I am training in the gym. And these are so beautiful. I got them here in the black and white multicolor, but you can see on that Nike logo that they kind of have like a little multicolor, kind of like rainbow shimmer to them. I think they look so smart, so sleek, so tough, but most importantly, they are giving me that incredible support that I need. Even when I walk on them on the floor, they kind of give like a little tap to show how heavy that sole is. So these are giving me the ultimate support when I am weightlifting. It's like I can feel the ground. I like to weightlift barefoot, but I can't do that in the gym. Wearing these is the next best thing. If you need a sneaker that's going to help support you for your training in the gym, for your weightlifting, your strength training, I highly recommend checking out these Metcon 8s by Nike. I am so happy with them, but that's just my point of view.